Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here at Burgess Falls State Park in Tennessee, in Baxter, Tennessee, kind of in between Baxter and Cookeville, Tennessee. And I was going to do a video for y'all of the park, kind of show you around. Because you might want to come and visit, or if you're out in this area in this way, you can check it out. Kind of show you around a little bit. So let's get to it. I'm going to flip you around here so you can see. Can't get this thing to work. No problem. And here we go. And there's the playground area up there. Kind of having a problem with this gimbal. Well, here we go. Oh, hold on a minute. There we go. There we go. Okay, now I think I got it. Here's some history on Burgess Falls. If you want to, you can pause that and read it. And there's some pictures. Here's a map. If you want to pause and zoom into that, so you can tell where it's at. There's some pictures of the history of the Burgess Falls State Park. You want to pause it. You can look at the pictures. Zoom up a little bit here. So there's the history if you want to pause and read it. Okay. There's the bathrooms down there. And they have a campground right over there where you can stay in your RV. Let's take y'all down to the falls. There you go. The video of the falls, a little bit of the water. Flip you around here. It's a little steep here. walking, kind of wet. Should flip her around here. Hope you can hear me okay. If I'm not doing much talking, it's because I'm having to kind of focus on the trail, walking, kind of slick here a little bit. We got some rain last night. There you go. Show you some little water. There's the falls. There's an old bridge. Come on. There we go. Here's some more history. I'll pause it. Here's a better shot. Absolutely gorgeous. This is not a... Oh. Not a very long hike. Forgot how long or how far it is, but just a good little hike. Get you some exercise. It's a little slick. flip it back around here. Keeps falling. There we go. Show you this little part here. Very pretty little hike. Turned out to be a good day. Poured the rain. Had some thunderstorms come through. But it's cleared up. The sun's come out. And it's a perfect day for a little hike. How's this? We're way up there. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous. Now this is straight up. Whew. Out of breath. Get over here so I can get a little bit better view of the falls here for you. Oh, and if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd be much appreciated. And click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks. Let me flip it back around here so you can see. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous. There's Burgess Falls overlook. A lot of woods. Pretty good trail right here. It's not too steep, or it's more level. This right here, this is the big falls. This is as far as it goes. Or you can go down this way right here, cut off and go down that way, and it'll take you down to the lower level down there. There's the falls. Alright. Well, I'm gonna head back. That's as far as it goes. It's just a little short hike. Just a little short hike to the falls, and they had a sign here somewhere that told how far it was to the falls, but not very far. But I'll flip it back around to show you a little bit more.
Already almost 9:30.
I'm not going to do much talking, just let y'all enjoy the video here. Well, I'm going to end it here, in the video here. Yeah, if you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell for any notifications when I upload new videos. And thanks for watching. Catch y'all later.